Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 AI coins under 1 billion market cap. These are all the Billy coins. So we look at coins under 1 billion. We're going to start with Akash, followed by Rose, Turbo, Grass, LPT, DEXE, Prime, TRAC, IO, and then we end it with ARKM at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Akash Network. So for AKT, okay, we are severely overbought. If anything, we have to wait for the consolidation before a break. At the moment, if it were to be me, right, I will wait for it to drop first before going any higher, right? Again, noisy areas here, here, and potentially here as well. So I suspect that if and when the bear trend comes for Akash Network, and if and when we do drop, yeah, I think it's safer to wait for it to dip a little bit lower first before taking on any trade for Akash Network. The hope is for Akash to drop down to form a very nice squeeze over here, right? This is really a very nice setup, to be honest, a lower high. So just dip a little bit more for Akash. That would be fantastic. Rose, let's look at it against BDC first. Rose against BDC. Oh, we have hit targets. We have hit targets for Rose here at 82. This was due to the head and shoulders over here. You see this left shoulder, big head, and then right shoulder. We drop. But we didn't take out these highs, you see. If we took out these highs, then this target would be invalidated. But we didn't. We nearly took it out. And then we came back down. Boom! We hit it at 82. So right now we're at 110. How much lower are we going to go? We don't know. Are we still in a bearish trend? Yeah, largely we're still in a bearish trend. So as it stands, yeah, I will preach caution about rushing into anything for Rose against USD. Rose is... okay. The funny thing about Rose is it hits targets on the BDC pair, but not on the USD pair. We will revisit the targets one fine day, but the 22 cents target we got from here, right? Sort of a symmetrical triangle, broke out, right? But we kind of lost the energy, and after that, bam, we came down, and then that's it. We're just gonna consider this as invalidated, and so is at 4.8 cents, right? We were very close to it, but we didn't. So close! We were so close. We were at, where were we? 4.9. Oh my god. It's a little bit, but anyway, it's already up. So again, we're just going to consider this as invalidated. This was the head and shoulders that came. So the moment we took out the right shoulder over here, it's going to be a bit confusing. Bro. Let's delete this. All right. See this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Zip down, zip up. We should have hit 4.8 cents, but we didn't. And so, yeah, it is what it is. So we're just going to consider this as invalidated. So Rose's two targets against USD is invalidated, but against BDC, yeah, it was weak. So, yeah, but anything for us to work with at the moment? Nope, not for Rose. Turbo, okay, Turbo is really bananas. Turbo has already done fantastic towards the upside. Turbo USDT. Normally, I will just default to gate. We have already done a 19,000% move for Turbo. This is kind of an AI meme coin. And yeah, again, anything for us to work with? No. If this is a... yeah, 3, 4. Yeah, I feel like the end is not too far away. So I would preach caution about rushing into a trade for Turbo. Sure, Turbo could still go much higher, sure, of course. But as it stands, I don't think so. I suspect this whole thing could be a very big head and shoulders. Right, skinny pink line curves above the right shoulder, we drop lower. So yeah, nope. We've already done almost 20,000%. So yeah, there's just nothing much for us to do at this point for Turbo. Grass, okay, Grass is new. Grass is fairly new. So if you look at Grass, we are in a A, B, C, D, E. You see this? A, B, C. Potentially a D and a E, and then there could be a breakout coming on for Grass. Even if it were to come, I think that will probably be the end of December before the break. Right? Probably this month. Could be January though, but I would assume that it will be probably this month. And where could we be going to? We have a target fresh out of the oven at $6.50 for Grass. Grass is fairly new. I just got listed in Gate on the 28th of October, 2 months ago, right? So yeah, and it's forming a very nice ABCDE, right? Potentially a break towards $6.50. Noisy area here. Yeah, me again. You can just zoom into the smaller time frames. You will see that this is a noisy area, right? You can join this up. Look at this falling channel. This is a wave A, up for a B, down for a C. Right, I suspect we're still gonna drop a bit lower though. I'm not sure if we're gonna be clearing this. Well, we could be clearing this to surprise before going back up. So as it stands, yeah, there's just nothing much for us to do, except to wait for the. Okay, how will we know that things could be going back up? Yeah, just draw a resistance line across. Wait for this to break, and then this will be the potential confirmation. Of course, at the same time, you will want to be looking for hammers, right? So this week might close with a hammer. We might very well close with a hammer. So if this is a hammer, then oh yes, we can go for it. But again, we still have to wait for the smaller dip in the smaller time frame. So yeah, that's the master plan for grass. We're watching it very, very closely. LPT against BDC. Here we are for LPT. We are, ooh, this is scary. Ah, look at the skinny pink line acting as a resistance. Zip back down. LPT against USD. Here we are. We're touching back the skinny pink line. But at the same time, look at this. Left shoulder, hit. Oh, this could be a right shoulder. LPT has this neck of volatile down, volatile up. Right? Volatile down, volatile up. Volatile. Yeah. Anyway, even if you were to hit higher, $40 maybe? Yeah, we're already at this noisy area, you see. Where's the next noisy area? Here. Right, there's a cluster of buys over here. So $40, around $40, I would say. This will be the next resistance area. Do we clear these clusters of buys? Yes, sure, of course. But if I were to take a trade for LBT towards the long side, I will wait for the proper right shoulder to appear first, and then probably get out at $40. Right, this will be a short trade, in my opinion, for me, if it were to happen. So yeah, that's LPD for you, boys and girls. DEXE against USD. Here we are for DEXE. Oh, DEXE probably could be facing the same fate as Akash. Right, coming back down before a break higher. So where do I think we could go to again? Some noise over here and some noise over here. So these are two levels to look for. But if you have to be me, right, I will probably be waiting here. Sub $4, maybe 3.76. Yeah, somewhere around now. Sub $4, I would say. If I were to go for a trade for DEXE, right? And after that, breakout. So I think that AI has a huge potential. Not just meme coins though. I think AI in terms of usage is going to rise in games, in real world usage. So AI is not a category that you want to be, not looking at. So yeah, that's DEXE for you. Prime against USDT. Here we are for Prime. Again, anything for Prime? No. Yeah, no, nothing much for Prime. If anything, I will wait for Prime to drop to sub $4 as well. To this noisy area. Right. Of course, we could also drop here. So these are the two levels to look for. Right. We've already broken back up above the skinny pink line. But again, this noisy area is serving as resistance. You see this? So, yeah, as it stands, I will preach caution about Prime. TRAC on Coinbase. So for TRAC, here we are. Anything for us to work with? Nothing much. TRAC is all over the place. So, yeah, we're not going to be forcing anything. If there's nothing, we just move on. IO against USD. Here we are for IO. IO is fresh. It's a fresh coin. It's a new coin. Again, the hope is that IO does something like this. So it's still new for us to, TA. There's just nothing for us to work with. So yeah, gotta wait for it to move up. After it comes down and something like that. Yeah, 2025, 2026, IO goes bananas. But as it stands, yeah, we don't know yet because this whole thing could still drop lower, right? This could be an ABC. This could be also a 5-wave move lower, right? We could breach $1. So again, as it stands, I will preach caution about IO. ARKM against USD. Okay, wait, let's get the BDC pair first. ARKM against BDC is it's down. Not good, boys and girls. It's not good. Look at this. Oh boy. I'm going to be hitting lower. This whole thing could also be like a left shoulder hit right shoulder. Oh, no, no, no. ARKM is not looking good. It's weak. It's weak. So you see, this is where ARKM is. If it were to be me, right, I will wait here, man. I will wait here. Probably around 65. Yeah, sub 70 cents, I would say. Probably clearing all these clusters of cells. Right. This whole thing is like a rising channel. So this whole thing could be an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern, right? Falling channel. Something like this. You see that? So as it stands, yeah, this is a very fast fall. If anything, I think ARKM will be a short though. Yeah, ARKM will be a short for me. But again, as it stands, there's just nothing much, no strong opinion for ARKM. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how things go. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!